Hey everyone, in this short video, I show you how to use the Entropy dApp on the Solana chain to earn yields, thought lending and liquidity. Let's get started. At first, wallet connection. So the corner connect wallet and Solana connect Phantom wallet. See here my wallet connection successfully. Here we are on the Entropy dashboard. At the top you shall see lending section with flexible terms. You can supply assets SOL or USDC and earn high APS. Example, supply SOL currently API 62.51%, and you can also borrow there. Here borrow you can after supply. Next we have the earn with liquidity pool like USDC and USDT, SOL and USDC, like SOL and USDC pool has APR 33.76%. That's an example. Here your supply liquidity pool USDC and SOL, and here APR 33.76%. By adding liquidity, you help facilities desk trading and earn fees in return. That's a quick review how to earn on Entropy using lending and liquidity pool on Solana.